Deal Payroll Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about hiring globally is that payroll is the hardest part. Deal promises to solve that, but does it deliver in 2025? Deal is a global payroll and compliance platform that helps companies hire contractors and employees in multiple countries. It handles payments, tax forms, and local labor laws. One major advantage is compliance. Deal reduces legal risk by managing contracts and regulations across borders. This is crucial as remote work continues to grow. Another pro is speed. Companies can onboard international workers in days instead of months. The surprising truth is that automation saves more time than cost. However, you won't believe what happens next if you're a small startup. Deal's pricing may feel high for very small teams. Customization can also be limited for complex payroll needs. In conclusion, Deal is ideal for companies scaling internationally. If compliance and efficiency matter, Deal remains a powerful payroll solution in 2025.